Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So today I'm at Melbourne Airport. It is roughly 11:20 a.m. on a Friday morning. It is actually cold and there was supposed to be rain today, but it hasn't rained as yet, so thank God. But other than that, it's freezing today. I'm on level 7 of the Terminal 4 car park at Melbourne Airport. The plane that just landed was from Brisbane Jetstar flight. That's an Airbus A320. You can see the Thai Airlines flight parked down there. I think doing some cleaning or having some food delivered, etc. to the flight. Not exactly sure when they are going to be departing. You can see a Virgin Australia flight taxiing down there. Next flight that's going to be landing is coming in from Orange, which is in New South Wales, and that is a Link Airlines flight. You can actually see it. It's Saab 340. Sorry, I can't really zoom very much on my phone, so please accept my apologies. And following that flight is going to be landing shortly. It's going to be an Air New Zealand flight coming in from Auckland, and that's a Boeing 777. It's coming in shortly, so the flight from Orange just landed. Another flight from Auckland is going to be landing soon. It's coming down there. The flight from Auckland takes about 3 hours roughly. Okay, I hope everyone can please like this video and also leave a comment as well. It will be greatly appreciated. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. See the Boeing 777 just landing in Melbourne. Doesn't look like they have much livery on there, but it actually does look like a nice plane. Jetstar flight that is going to Sydney. The flight takes approximately an hour, and there's an Airbus A320 going to Sydney, going from east-west runway. You can see the Air New Zealand flight down there, going to the terminals. Airlines flight also is down there as well. The next flight that is going to be landing is a flight from Hong Kong, and that's a Cathay Pacific Boeing 777-367. That is coming in from Hong Kong. The flight took approximately 8 hours and 38 minutes. The flight has just departed. There's a flight to Brisbane. That was a Qantas A220-300 that was went to Brisbane. And the flight from Hong Kong is landing now. It's a very tight takeoff and landing. I haven't captured Cathay Pacific, I think, for a while, and it's not during the daytime. Everyone's having a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I would greatly appreciate it. You can see the other plane spotting area down there, the one that I first started plane spotting on. That was actually a nice area before. So that place is going to be going in the next couple of years, so it's a bit sad, but there's going to be a good runway and taxiways down that side, so which is going to be a good thing for Melbourne Airport. See the Cathay Pacific flight going to terminals now. Air New Zealand flight just made its way to the gate. So I'm going to finish up my video here. So thank you everyone for watching. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.